Hi guys, Charity Lifestyle here. Welcome to my channel. Today let's make this very fluffy and delicious cake. So we're going to be making cake in a blender. So we're going with our 2 eggs, one cup of sugar, three tablespoons of butter, then we'll blend that. When you start blending, you see it looking like this, but just keep blending and very soon you see it start coming together. Okay, so you need to have a smooth fine paste. So now you can see this is now very smooth. So now we'll go ahead to add other ingredients. Go in with 1 cup of milk. Cover up your blender and blend again. After you've done that, now it's time for our flour. So we're going to put in 2 cups of flour. So you put that gradually so it doesn't splash everywhere. This is actually sieved flour, so always remember to sieve your flour whenever you want to use it. Then you blend that together. You blend it and make sure they are well combined. So after that, you can see how beautiful our batter is looking already. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of flavor to pop up the taste more. Without it, it is also going to taste delicious. So this is optional, by the way. Then I went in with 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Do you know the reason why you should add your baking powder last? Okay, the reason why you should add your baking powder last and mix it with your spatula or with whatever you can mix it together with is because this enables it to rise very well. Whenever you're baking something, it is best to add your baking powder last. Especially whenever you're baking cake. Let me just say whenever you're baking a cake, add your baking powder last and it's going to give you a well-risen cake. So I just put it into my pan, and this was after I finished buttering my pan and used flour to dust it. So this is the pot I use in baking stuff whenever I don't want to use my halogen oven. So now I'm just going to pour in some sand to increase the heat. Then I'll put in my stove stand. So I'm putting in my stove stand. This helps to give a little bit of distance from the heat to the cake pan. So I'm going to put it on fire and let it heat up a little bit while I do other stuff. Then before I will now put in my cake batter in it. So my cake batter is already in it, and now you can see how well risen it did. And I'm just going to check and see if it is well cooked. And no, it isn't. You can see it isn't well cooked. So close it up and leave it for another few minutes. I think I left for like 5 minutes. So then I came back, and now it is well cooked. My stick came out dry. Okay, and you can see how beautiful. Just check out this beautiful, gorgeous stove baked cake. Yeah, just see how beautiful it is. Oh, this came out so delicious, so delicious. You can just use this for breakfast. This took me 4 minutes to make and 30 to 35 minutes to bake. Like, this is so easy and so delicious. If you're going to be trying this, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.